Hi guys, Will here, and welcome back to Thursday's Thoughts, the once per week upload where I share a thought, a tip, or an idea to make you the very best trader that you can be. And on today's episode, I want to talk to you about whether mechanical trading is right for you or not, because it certainly isn't for everyone, as we'll discuss together here today. Stay tuned and let's get into it. Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So let's dive straight into it with that question. Which style of trading is best suited to you, right? I ask because mechanical trading, it isn't for everyone. Much like discretionary trading isn't for everyone. Now, a friend of mine actually got me thinking about this recently because as a discretionary trader himself, he said that he couldn't imagine not doing the analysis, the actively watching the basket of 10, 20 different markets that he watches all day, every day, reading the news, the analysis and the analysing his performance and his decisions, all of the workload that comes with trading using discretion. He quite frankly loves it, and that is his passion. That's right for him. Whereas for me, personally, I don't want to have to do, I should say, all of that work. I don't feel comfortable with watching 10 markets for 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. I don't trust my ability to make predictions based on deciphering news articles that constantly change and so on. That making a trade decision and risking my money based on a best guess scares me. For other people like my friend though, it excites them. Now, my friend isn't profitable yet, but we're all different, aren't we? I really believe that success as a trader is in what suits a person best. And in fact, before we go any further, pause the video for just a second if you would, and let me know in the comments section below the video whether you like to sit at the screens all day or not, whether you enjoy attempting to decipher news to make trading decisions around or not, whether you prefer to watch a big basket of markets or just focus on one or two markets. And there's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what you prefer, what fits you. So don't feel like there's something that you can say, something that you can't say. Again, pause the video for just a quick second and let me know your thoughts. It'd be really great to hear from you guys on this subject. Now, one point I really want to emphasize here is that you can succeed via both routes. Whether you're using a set of mechanical rules and your trading day takes, let's say, an hour and you focus on just one or two markets, or whether you're trading using discretion and your trading day is, the whole day in front of the screens and you track a basket of 10 markets, 20 markets. As long as you make the choice that's right for you, for your personality, you can trade profitably. And by the way, if you're enjoying the video today, it'd be really great if you take just a quick second to hit that thumbs up button for me. That would really help me, if that's okay with you. So the only deciding factor, in my opinion, between which route to go is, of course, ease of use. Because I can tell you for an absolute fact, I've had traders who've struggled across years trying to trade using discretion, who come to me as a last resort. I've handed them the mechanical rules that we use, and they've become profitable the minute they took the rules live. In fact, let me just prove that, because I know it's a hell of a claim to make. So I interviewed a client recently for the channel, Asri from over in Australia, and you can head over and listen to that after this video today, but he says it himself in the interview. He spent 6 years, I think it was, battling with the markets. At one point, he even lost $2,000 in one single week. And in fact, he actually quit trading altogether for 2 years and only made a start again after stumbling on this YouTube channel. From there, he joined us, we handed him the rules, and since going live, he's been profitable every single month since. And he's currently up 18.2% as of last time I spoke to him just last week. What a turnaround from 6 years of stress, struggle, not really knowing what he was doing, losing money, to profitable the minute that he took the rules live. Another great example here from Joel over in Spain, and as he says himself, the thing that clicked for him was the word edge. Understanding that you have to be able to statistically prove that what you're doing works, that your strategy works. So it's as good as useless, isn't it? He says, that was the turning point for me, and I can say I've honestly never looked back. I mean, it speaks volumes, doesn't it? And as he says himself, he's currently up 37% on his account. Even at a mid-size £10,000 account, that's a gain of £3,700 made by following a set of mechanical rules. I mean, let me ask the question. If you had the choice, let's say between a 10-hour trading day filled with uncertainty or a 1 to 2 hour trading day with a set of mechanical rules to follow, a blueprint actually laid out for you, which would you choose? Another piece of feedback here that came in a few days ago from our client Matty, and he says, loving mechanical trading more than ever. It's helped so much within my trading. And again, it's helped him because I believe it solved the problem of being held back by the analysis, by reading the news, by having to keep an eye on a screen full of markets all day long, different patterns, timeframes. I mean, as if trading wasn't difficult enough. Right, without all of that chaos standing in the way. But with that said though, I want to actually argue against myself here for a second, just to provide some balance, because again, there are a lot of traders out there who want to almost feel like trading is their day job, right? They want to look at charts all day long, every day. And in fact, they'll probably gravitate towards working at a trading firm, for example, where they have an office to go to, and so on and so forth. And if that's you, then you'll no doubt thrive in that environment. But for a lot of people, I found that freedom is most important. And maybe freedom is most important to you too, right? Many people don't want to leave their current office job where they're tied to the desk 8 hours a day to then head to a new office job where they're tied to the desk for 10 or 12 hours per day. Right? And only mechanical rules and knowing exactly where, when, and why to trade make that possible. That level of freedom is impossible if using discretion, because you have to be there when opportunity presents itself, don't you? You have a 10, 12 plus hour office job for life if you're trading using discretion, much like proprietary fund traders do. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, but for many people, that's actually worse than their current job. But a lot of people don't actually realise that when they begin using analysis, using news, using fundamentals, and so on to trade. So if you are someone who values freedom, mechanical rules are, I dare say, and of course I am biased here, but I'd say they are the way to go for that reason. The time freedom, the knowing that you have a statistical edge, proven on paper, and so on. So I've gone off on a few tangents there, but hopefully that sparked some inspiration and helped you to understand what style of trading is right for you. Again, if you like the excitement of watching charts all day, every day, that's great. You'll be best suited to discretion, to analysis, trading news events, and so on. Alternatively, if you want what Asri has achieved, what Joel and Matty have achieved, and you just want to strip things back, make trading simple, easy, straightforward, right down to a set of rules that you just follow repeatedly, it will of course be mechanical strategies that you're best suited to. And when you get that decision right between the two, I have a feeling that things will just click for you, much like it has for many of the clients that we work with ourselves. Anyway, I hope that helps. Hopefully that's added value for you. Hopefully that's triggered some inspiration. I'll leave it there for today. And as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks, guys.